Hello, my name is Davidas Malaska, and this is my presentation of the Kingdom of Fungi. What is fungi? Fungi are a group of organisms that can either be multicellular or single cellular. They can survive mostly anywhere, but are usually seen on land where soil or plants are found. A group called decomposers grow in soil or on dead plant matter, where they play an important role in the cycling of carbon and other elements. There are many fungi here on Earth, including mushrooms, yeast, molds, rusts, smuts, puffballs, truffles, morels, and molds. I already said molds. There are more than 70,000 species of fungi. Some of them are so small that they can't be seen with the eye, and some are so big that you might not even notice that you're walking on them. Why fungi are classified as fungi is because unlike plants, they can't create their own food, making them heterotrophs. Importance of fungi. Fungi are very important as they can be used to create antibiotics and other drugs. They're used to create our favorite foods and drinks like mushrooms do, bread, beer, and champagne. Destructive part of fungi. Fungi are not all positive, as eating some can cause trips. Some are poisonous and can give diseases to humans and animals, like ringworm, athlete's foot, and others. It is easier to get a disease from fungi than from other plants, as fungi are more similar to animals in genetics and chemically. Examples of fungi: you have agaricus, the red and deadly mushroom, the white mycor, and the weird-looking Alternaria, Coriaceae, lichens, Puccinia, nasty Ustilago, Microscopic Trichoderma, Albugo, and Gomphus clavatus. And then Rhizophus. They are mostly found on organisms such as food, fruits, and vegetables that have gone bad, basically molds. They can be fatal if consumed and are often a problem for diabetics as they cause infections. Rhizopus, they reproduce by forming asexual and sexual spores. Saccharomyces cerevisiae have been mostly used during the decades for baking, brewing, and science experiments. They are microscopic and have a really bad smell when bought from the store. It reproduces by a division known as budding. Penicillium used to create penicillin and is used to make moldy cheese. Species like Penicillium crucigenum, who belongs to the so-called imperfect fungi, which means that it is unknown whether they are exclusive asexual produced or phase of sexual production. That is still to be uncovered. Psilocybin-containing fungi, also known as magic mushroom, as they give hallucinations. They look like normal mushrooms and can be confused with poisonous ones. They reproduce with their spores. Lepiota bruneoncarnata looks like a normal mushroom, but if eaten will bring high toxicity to the liver, causing death if not treated immediately. And they produce like the magic mushroom with spore reproduction. Bridgeoparus is an endangered fungi. It is being threatened because it relies on mature trees to grow, and because of that it got listed in 1995 as an endangered species. The thing with Bridgeoparus is that it is found in most trees, but as it needs a very special procedure to actually start growing. They are planting this fungi in different locations in the USA. In 1998 there were 13 known locations where it existed, now it's up to 103. And that's all for me, thanks for listening.